For those of you who don't know what we're making, it's basically a high-tech watch which in last resorts can transform into a glove. Now obviously our version isn't going to be nearly as seamless because in the movie they use CGI, but we'll try. So for the watch, I'm thinking the wristband part will be what allows us to rotate it onto our palm, and the watch face itself will be the repulsor. Now instead of just strapping a flashlight to it and calling it done, we're going to actually make it shoot by using flash cotton and flash paper. For the ignition source, I went with an arc lighter, took it apart, printed a housing for it, started soldering. And while testing it, I found I could add some LEDs, so I threw those in there as well with a switch. Then came painting, and of course the one color I don't have is red, so... I ended up just gluing aluminum to it. Now for the expanding glove piece. There seems to be a balance between it looking like a passable watch and it being really bulky, but I found the best way is to fold some metal under the watch's head. Now obviously this thing isn't nearly as profound as the one in the movie, but it's a prototype. So how it works is when you flick on the switch, the safety is off. So when you press the button, the lighter will ignite. Now all we have to do is stuff flash cotton down the chamber, which then shoots out the flash paper, which is what makes the fireball effect. But now for the true feature of this thing, which is how it expands. And there you go. Now we have the lights, the metal, the projectile. Let's test it.